This is our holiday movement workout. Just put aside a little bit of time and join me. We're going to stand tall, core engaged, lift the chest, crown of the head to the ceiling. Alternate lift and lower heels. So just lift and lower one side, go to the other side, and then roll the shoulders back. So this time of year, we can feel a lot of different ways, a lot of different emotions. You might be filled with excitement and happiness and joy. It could just feel really stressful and overwhelming. You maybe are just coping and getting through these next few weeks. And no matter how you're feeling, this is the right place to be. Just joining me in taking care of your health and fitness for a few moments, just feeling good in these moves. I'm glad you're here. One more each side. And then plant your feet just a little bit wider than hip width. We're going to do a gentle twist side to side. And as we twist, one arm crosses in front, one arm crosses behind, and then go to the other side. A nice easy move, just a little tap as the hands cross in front and behind. This is a great move to do anytime you're feeling really bloated, like you've had a really big meal. This is great for digestion. It's just this little twist and these taps. So add this in anytime. One more each side. Come to center. Arms alongside the body. Just plant your feet where it's comfortable. Shoulders are back and down. Our wrists are going to make circles. So little hand circles, circles at the wrists. And as we're doing those circles, start to bring your arms out to the side and lift. We're going to come all the way up to the ceiling or as high as feels right for you. And then pause, 4 reaches, a little bit higher to the ceiling. Reach, 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 and then back to those wrist circles as the arms come down. You just visualize little snowflakes coming down. And then when we bring the arms all the way back down, we'll do 4 arm circles, reaching forward, up to the ceiling, circle back. You could have a little twist to the side if that feels good. 4 of those. And then we're going to do wrist circles again as the arms come out to the sides, reaching up to the ceiling. Pause, 4 reaches, like you're just reaching a little bit higher. Wrist circles down. Single arm circles. Wrist circles up. 1 more of these. 4 reaches, expanding the side of the body. Wrist circles down. 4 single arm circles. We're going to start to march on the spot. We'll be doing 3 steps to make a quarter turn. We're going to have fists in front of our chest. Every time we do our 3 steps, forward leg, forward arm, we're going to do a kick and punch. So it's going to look like this. 3, 2, 1, kick and punch. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Just find the pattern. And throughout the workout, you can always modify. If I'm doing something with arms and legs and you just want to do arms or you just want to do legs, just make this work for you. And have some fun. One more each way. Coming back to center, we're going to imagine we're holding snowballs. And we're going to do one arm at a time, snowball, throw forward, same side heel will lift. All right, so here we go. And you can tell me in the comments if it actually looks and feels like we're throwing snowballs. Just have that nice stretch forward. One more each side. We're going to do an exercise I call skaters, and I'll give you some options. The first option is tapping toes back, and for each of these moves, same side arm does an uppercut or a punch up, and then we do the other side. Next option is to cross behind. So you can either just tap straight back or cross behind. And the last option is to lift the foot. So speed skaters, and each time you lift your foot, a little bit of a crouch. So you decide your option, tapping straight back, tapping back and across, or lifting that foot behind. Four, three, two, one. Move over to one side. We're going to be doing 2 steps side to side. Have your fists outside of your shoulders. And each time you take 2 steps, the inside leg and arm are going to tap and punch straight up to the ceiling. And if up to the ceiling doesn't work for you, feel free to go straight forward. Yeah, here we start with the 2 steps. And then it's tap and reach, 2, 1, tap and reach, 2. Go at the pace that works for you. We can maybe bring it up a little bit. Let's go 2 more each way. Bring it back. Tap and reach, tap and reach. Heel taps forward, alternating heel taps, and just add some nice arm swings, keeping upper body nice and upright. And you can keep swinging your arms, and let's go to toe taps back. Reach the toes back. One more each side. We're going to come to pyramid position for a nice stretch to the legs. So stagger your feet, 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, toes pointing forward, hands on hips. Hinge at your hips, bring your upper body forward without rounding the spine. Find a spot to focus on. Feel free to have a hand on a wall if this is feeling like a lot of balance. And then just come back to your breath. Lift your upper body, switch the feet around. Again, check toes are pointing forward, and then we just hinge at hips. Nice full inhales and exhales. And lifting up her body. Plant your feet maybe a little bit wider than hip width again, and then turn your palms to face forward. Bring your arms slightly out to the side. Bring your arms slightly back. Mountain pose. We're feeling lifted in the chest and the crown of the head. And notice your breath. Just let your shoulders relax down. Big inhales and exhales. Sometimes when we're really busy, we forget to take those big full breaths, and that really does help to calm the nervous system. And relax the arms down. Just place your feet wherever comfortable. We're going to lift and lower the shoulders. We'll inhale to lift, exhale to lower, and you can even add a sigh as you're lowering. Just let go. Inhale up, exhale down. Let go of tension. A couple more. And in a moment, we'll finish with 3 breaths as we lift and lower our arms. Let me know in the comments, how was this for you for this holiday season? And I'm wishing you all the best. So let's lift our arms to the ceiling as we inhale and exhale down. And 2 more. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in another workout. Take good care.